dear student. Today I'll discuss one of the most important topic, least square method. What is least square method? Least square method is a method by which we can find the best curve fitting approximating curve for the given data. Here I have considered one important example. Question is using least square method, find a straight line that best fits to the following data. Okay, so there are x and y values are given. Now we write down the solution of it. Please write down let the best fitting line B y is equals to a plus bx. This is number 1. This is number 1. Okay. So what is a and b? A, b are constant. Our objective to find the value of a and b. Okay. A, b are constant. Where a and b are constant. Okay. So write down, therefore normal equation for a and b are number 1 summation y is equals to na plus b summation x. This is number 2, and second one is summation xy is equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. These are the two equations. From where you have this equation is very simple. First, the summation is taking because of to consider all the data. Okay, what is n? N is the number of terms. Okay, so in this problem the number of term is 1 2 3 4 5. So number of variation number of term is 5. Okay, so here n will be 5. Okay, so this is the your straight line. If I consider all the data, so you need to consider summation. So that's why from equation is coming summation y summation a means n number of a you should add, that it will be na, and b summation x. Okay, now coming from where it is coming, the second equation is coming, just you multiply x with the x with the equation number 1, that is x into y x into a plus b into x square. If you take summation you will get this one. So ultimately our main objective, now we have two equation, our objective to find the value of a and b by using these two equation. So where this summation y in summation x, summation xy, summation x and summation x square, these are unknown. This to be calculated from the given data. Clear? Now, so what you have, x equals to how much value you are having? X equals to 1. What is your x value? X value 1 2 3 4 5. So this is your x value. What is your y value? Please check. 5, 7, 9, 10 and 11. What is your xy? Xy is coming 5, 14, 27, 40 and 55. Now x square 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. Now if I want to add, that is summation x. Summation x is coming, if I add all together 5, 10, 15. Please check. Summation x is coming summation 15. Summation y is coming 42. Summation xy is coming 141 and summation x square is coming 55. Okay, so what is n here? Here n equals to 5. Okay, so these are the two values. So now from equation number 2 and equation number 3, please write down from 2. After substituting from 2 means this one summation y na plus b summation x. If I substitute the value, okay, so what you have, summation y is equals to na plus b summation x. What is your summation y? Summation y is equals to 42 is equals to 5a plus summation x, that is 15b. Please check. From 3, from 3 it is coming. What about the next equation? Summation xy is equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. So from here you may write 41 is equals to 15a plus 55b. Please check. This is number 4. This is number 4 and this is number 5. Now our objective to simplify these two equation. Okay, so now what you have, now our target to solve this. Clear? This basically this was equation number 2 and this one equation number 3. So now you substitute all these value to this relation, you will get this. Now our objective to solve these two simultaneous equation. Okay, so basically what you have, 5a 5a plus 15b is equals to 42. 15a plus 55b is equals to 141. These two are coming from here. Okay, so now basically this is number 4 and this is number 5. So if I multiply 3 and if multiply 1, it is coming 15a plus 45b is equals to 126. Now you multiply 15a plus 55b is equals to 142. Subtract it. So ultimately it is coming minus 10b is equals to minus 15. So from here it is coming b is equals to 15 by 10 is equals to 1 by 5, 1.5. So what you have? So therefore b is equals to 1.5 you have. Okay, now substitute the value of b in equation number 4. What do you have? Please write down from 4. From 4, that is 5a plus 15b is equals to 42. So from here you may write 5a is equals to 42 minus 15b. That means 42 minus 15 into 1.5. 1.5. If you simplify, so how much is coming? That is 5a is equals to, it is coming 42 minus 22.5. Okay, 5a is equals to 42 minus 22.5. So if I can switch to the next slide, it is coming 5a is equals to 19.5. So a is equals to 19.5 by 5, so which is equals to 3.5. So now therefore what is a? A is equals to 3.5. So please write down therefore the required the required the straight line is y is equals to a plus bx, correct? That is y is equals to, that is y is equals to, what is a? A is equals to 3.5 plus b. What is b? What is b? B is equals to 1.5. 1.5 into b. So this is the required curve. This is the required curve. Now I think it is clear to everyone. Just you have to revise again and again to find the solution as well as to understand the process. Now I am giving one homework. Using least square method, find the best straight line to the following data, where I have considered 6 data for x as well as y. So here x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8, and the corresponding y 2.4, 3, 3.6, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so please try to find the value of it. So your answer will be y is equals to 1.976 plus 0.506 into x. This will be the answer. Okay, just you follow this question and test whether this result is coming or not. If your result is coming, that means your concept is clear. Okay, thank you everyone. Please do subscribe my channel and please inform this video information to all other friends so that they can also get some benefit from here. Okay, thank you very much.